Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. January is National Soup Month, which is just in time with the upcoming cold weather. Follow along to make a tasty, vegetable-packed soup. This month's cookbook highlight is the new Mediterranean Diet Cookbook by Nancy Harmon Jenkins. Our featured recipe is Mediterranean vegetable soup. For your ingredients, you will need white beans, chicken stock, green cabbage, Swiss chard, pancetta, garlic cloves, dried parsley, onion, olive oil, celery, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, any other vegetables like broccoli, peppers, asparagus, salt, black pepper, sushi rice, and Parmesan cheese for the topping.
Step 1. In a small covered saucepan, simmer the drained beans in about 2 cups of the stock until tender but not falling apart. Step 2. Steam the slivered cabbage and chard in a pot for about 15 minutes. When the vegetables are tender but not falling apart, set aside. Step 3. Put oil in a large stock pot and saute gently the pancetta, garlic, parsley, and onion until tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Add in the remaining vegetables to the pot with the last 4 cups of broth. Bring to a simmer, cover, and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Step 5. Add the cabbage, chard, and the beans with their cooking liquid. Then add in the salt and pepper to taste. Step 6. Stir in the rice and continue cooking for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is done. Step 7. Turn off the heat and serve immediately, garnishing with a spoonful of Parmesan cheese. Now all that's left to do is enjoy.
Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.